Skincare tips. Organic extra virgin coconut oil for moisturizing. Bentonite clay mask. Aloe vera for anti-aging, redness, and inflammation. Apple cider vinegar applied to skin acts as a toner, diluted with equal parts water. Lush Skin Moisturizer, 3/4 cup organic extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Raw honey -1 tablespoon. Chamomile flowers. Mix in a high-speed blender and apply to skin accordingly. Avocado mask mash, apply and leave on skin for 20 minutes. Cacao mask, 1/4 cup organic extra virgin coconut oil, 1 tablespoon. Cacao powder, mix, apply and leave on skin for 20 minutes.